Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today's video I'm going to do a clothing haul from Wholesome Culture. So Wholesome Culture is a clothing brand, and every single item purchased on their website goes either towards animal rescue or other environmental charities. They have the cutest clothes. A lot of it is, of course, based around what they stand for. So there's like cute florals, there's some stuff about like saving the planet. I have a shirt that says like skip a straw, save a turtle. And actually, some of you guys have commented on one of my sweatshirts I wore. It says be kind and it has a picture of a little bee. And whenever I've worn that in a video, people are like, I love your sweatshirt. That is from Wholesome Culture. So this is a brand that I have purchased a lot from already, but they had these mystery bags. So I got one set mystery bag in Crewneck, and I got one set mystery bag in t-shirt. So Crewneck Sweatshirt and t-shirt. And we're gonna open both of them. I have absolutely no idea what I got sent, but I love pretty much everything on their site, so I don't feel like I'm gonna be disappointed. All of their clothing is also ethically made. They're made in these WRAP certified factories. They also have water-based inks, and they are always sent in recyclable, biodegradable packaging. So this says, hello, I'm here. This packaging was made using biodegradable material. So they really care like full picture about it. It's not just like coming to me in like a ton of plastic that is just gonna go into our planet and ruin it. So I really do think that they stand by everything that they believe in, kind of like full circle as much as they possibly can while running their business. As you can see, even when you open the packaging, nothing is individually wrapped in plastic. They just send it all in this one biodegradable packaging. And I already see that they picked some colors that I pretty much love already. For the crewneck sweaters, I like to wear them oversized, so I got that in a size large. And for the t-shirts, I got them in my regular size, which is size medium. I'm like really self-conscious. I've never loved my body, no matter what my body has looked like. So I'm always like, oh, I don't like watching those unless people try them on. And then like, I don't want to try things on camera, so that's part of the reason why I've never done it, but I just really care about this company a lot, and putting it on camera is like top anxiety for me. But we're gonna do it because Wholesome Culture deserves it. So the first shirt that I have here, it's all white. It says save a bee, plant a flower, and it has these cute little bees and these cute little flowers. So this is the cute white shirt on. It's like kind of loose. So here we go. This is the first shirt, save a bee, plant a flower. I love these little florals. This just has yellow, like it's gray and yellow. So I like that the colors are just like really simple, and this yellow color is so gorgeous. It's like not mustard yellow, but it's like almost mustard yellow and kind of like muted. So the next shirt is a black shirt. This one has like a little bit of a thicker feel than this one does. It says, when life gives you limes, make guac. And I think this is super cute. This is also kind of my style. These are a little bit like bigger than I expected. I definitely ordered medium with them in the past, but I think these ones are unisex maybe. For me, I might have maybe selected small if I knew that, because this looks like it's gonna be pretty oversized. It's like really long just holding it against my body, but it says medium on here. But this one will definitely be one that I have to tie. I do think this one's more unisex. The white one was not this long, so this is just maybe just like longer, or people wear it oversized. It would be really good over leggings though, because it would give you like more coverage. And the last shirt in my 3-pack mystery is this cute shirt. It says planting seeds, protecting trees, saving animals in need. It has a little butterfly, it has a little bumblebee. This is so cute. I like the little circular like shape of it too. This one also looks like it's the same quality as this one, like a thicker shirt, and the same length. So it's gonna be a little bit longer than the first shirt that we looked at. Yeah, so this one has it like a little bit lower on the chest area. The other ones were kind of like more up here with the wording. This one's like directly in the center of my body, and it's a little bit more balanced than the other ones. It is oversized. For the mystery bag that contained these shirts, it was $35. I got 3 shirts for $35. Definitely, if you look at their site, it is valued at way more than $35. I think it's almost triple that, to be honest. I think they're about $30 or $25 per shirt. Now we're gonna move on to the Crewneck Sweatshirts. Crewneck Sweatshirts are so comfy. I like live in them when I'm home, when I am sick, sometimes when I'm filming, like just when I want to be my most comfy, I am wearing a Crewneck sweatshirt. It's just like, that's my fave. And now I have 3 new ones that all support good causes and that are all gonna have like kind of cute, cosy sayings to them. So let's start with the first one. This is the lovely burgundy color that I was talking about. I got these in large because I wanted them to be a little bit bigger. This says, make the trails, leave no trace. I usually buy them in medium or large if I know that it's just gonna be like a home, like wear leggings and just this all day type of day, then I definitely wear the large ones. I love how soft these are on the inside. The length of the arms is like just perfect for being cozy, that like oversizedness of them. I am obsessed with crewnecks. I think they're way more comfortable than hoodies. That may just be a personal opinion, but I feel like, I don't know how you could disagree. And this will get a lot of use for sure. This is a very cute print on this one. So the next one is white. It has a little avocado on it that is, it's basically an avocado angel. It has an avocado angel that says, holy guacamole. This is very cute, but I am a messy person, so I feel like having a white hoodie, it would not last very long in my life. Like, it just won't. My makeup and my food would always be on it. So I might give this one away. Hi guys, interrupting your video again. This is the last of the 3 videos for my 2K giveaway. Make sure that you check out Sunday's video if you don't know about the 2K giveaway. But 3 of the videos count. This is one of them. Make sure you count on all 3. Here is a little sneak peek of 2 of the items that will be in the box for whoever is the winner. The first is the Laura Geller highlighter. You guys might have seen me unbox this. I got 2 of them, so one of them is going in the giveaway. And then the second item is this dupe keychain wallet that's like the Louis Vuitton kind of shape to it. And I got that off of DHgate. If you haven't seen my DHgate video, I'll link that here. So back to your regular programming video, and make sure you're commenting on all 3. The video you're watching right now and the other 2, Wednesday and Sunday. I just feel like I wouldn't treat it right because it's white. Like, even I'm afraid to put it on right now because I know I'll get my makeup all over it. So let's move on to the second burgundy one. And this is exactly like the shirt that I had earlier that said, when life gives you limes, make guac. This one is cute. I will definitely wear this one. It's also the same color as this one. So, I mean, I was hoping I would get 3 different colored ones, but for the price, you can't beat it, and it's still supporting a good cause. So it's fine if I got 2 that are the same color, especially because it's a color that I love. I don't really know why I tried this one on. It's pretty much the same as the exact same size, the exact same color. It's probably the exact same crew neck. They just printed something different on top of it. So it looks the same. The sleeves are about the same. The color is exactly the same. It looks on me probably pretty close to the same. For the 3-pack of large crew neck sweaters, I got that for a total of $50. So normally I think that is the price I would pay for just one crew neck sweatshirt from this company. It depends because they have sales a lot, and I've definitely purchased a lot of them on sale. Total, I only paid $7 shipping to get both of those in that one package, and it came to me in priority 2-day mail. So that's kind of awesome as well. I'm gonna put up on screen over here some of the options that they have on their website, just so you can see like the variety. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I got out of my comfort zone a little bit. I mean, I wasn't like doing the full body stand in front of a mirror try on hauls, but I still put the clothes on so you could see kind of like how the sizing fits. And I feel like that's kind of important if you do a clothing haul. If you just do a clothing haul and you hold it up, I'm like, I can totally just see that on the company's website. So for me, I don't think those are as useful. You guys saw me unbox clothing, put it on my body, be proud of me. That was not the easiest thing that I've ever done on here. I definitely feel way more comfortable applying makeup and having like a naked face than having changed out clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me during this haul. If you want to know anything more about wholesome culture, maybe I can help, leave a comment down below for questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!